Hello, welcome back to another episode of Haha Bakes. I hope everyone's doing well. Have you guys had the opportunity to try out any of the recipes? What do you guys think so far? Leave me a comment below. For today's recipe, I decided that I would want to make some hot and sour soup. Now I know you can get hot and sour soup almost any Chinese restaurants. There's one in the corner, there's one down the street. But can you say you've had a good, delicious hot and sour soup? I can say I really haven't. So let's go ahead and get started. So for today's recipe, we'll be needing 8 cups of chicken stock. For my vegetarian friends, you can use vegetable stock, of course. We got some portobella mushrooms. You're more than welcome to use any types of mushrooms you would like. We got 1/4 cup of bamboo shoots, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, some ginger, 2 teaspoons, 2 full eggs. I added some egg whites to the mixture, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, tofu, and of course some fresh scallions. So we'll go ahead and combine some of the key ingredients. Your chicken stock, add the bamboo shoots, add the fresh ginger, add the mushrooms, the rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of chili sauce, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Once the soup starts coming to a simmer, we're going to go ahead and slowly add into the cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to help thicken up the soup, so we're going to go ahead and give it a little mix for about a minute. Once you see that we got a nice simmer going and the soup is starting to thicken up, we'll go ahead and add in the whisked egg. Slowly add it into as a stream. I don't know about you, but I'm already drooling just looking at it. Now we'll go ahead and add half of the scallions. And we can slowly add in the tofu. Give it a good whirl. Just be very careful and be gentle so that way you don't break the tofu. Look how beautiful this is. We'll add 1 teaspoon of the sesame oil, a generous pinch of salt, a generous pinch of pepper if you like it spicy. If you don't, we could kind of go light. Once the soup is coming to a nice simmer, I'm going to taste test and see how the soup is. If it needs more vinegar or more salt, pepper, and I'll adjust accordingly. Now be careful when you are tasting the soup, it is probably hot as heck. I like it a little bit more vinegary, so I'm going to add a little bit more rice vinegar, probably about 1 teaspoon, give or take. And we go ahead and let it simmer for a couple more minutes. I'll see you back here. Now be careful, as you can tell, it's very hot. There you have it, some fresh, delicious, hot and sour soup. Let's give this baby a try. I'm gonna take my time because it's steaming really hard. There you have it, folks. I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy the soup. See you later.